bago. It's
like
the
super
newest.
snug and then at least that's what you feel like. Okay.
Tela sa mainit.
This, huh? Yeah, it's
Tsaka it's very summery.
no, really. So
Yes.
that's why I have this. So at night I have a pianist. Then I sing alone.
Yeah,
So
so
wala kang
ano.
kaagaw sa microphone.
Yeah, before.
We used to do
and then
that.
your chair here, then we put the beds here, we
Yeah.
do treatment.
These treatments here,
Here.
crazy.
Oh.
That's how we met.
Yes. Yes. 17 years ago, guys.
Yeah.
17,
She
18.
got she would come here, then we put massage beds here.
Yes.
And then she gave me that mirror thing where you magnify.
Yes, yes.
Oh, na. Every
Yeah, 2 to 3 times a week. I
Yeah,
would come
I
here.
did meso.
Yes,
Remember
meso.
meso? I wanted this one.
Yeah.
Wow. We'd all do it here.
And then some after work, minsan Gretch will say, oh, they're all here.
Come on.
Come here na.
We didn't know Z.
Then wala pa. Z wasn't there yet. Because Z was in Singapore.
Yeah,
So I was parang single. So I would,
Yeah, those were
so
the
after
days.
clinic, I would hang out here. Kasi wala
We
naman
do
akong ginagawa.
all the treatments. Oh my God.
Ang
And my
saya-saya.
lips. How
I
I
know.
oh my God, the days of my lips. I wanted to be like Angelina Jolie. I'm like, no, Ivy, but bigger. So she'd say, no, you can't have it. Please, please, please.
Kulit-kulit niya. More,
You
more.
can't leave until you make lumaki na lumaki.
I know.
People
Yes.
were like, she looks like a fish. But I loved it. Nagagalit na to.
Siya naman na may gusto.
I remember she...
Alam mo naman si Gretch pag may gusto siya.
Yeah.
Go, more. Pag na-obsess siya.
Ano, what was the first? Thermage?
Thermage. We did
My
thermage.
God, I wanted my stomach.
Yes, we did everything. Tapos meso, pag meso, twice a week, 3 times a week.
Hanggang
I know.
nawala lahat ng taba.
Oh, so you were so thin. She was so thin. Super. You fit in my ano,
Those
extra
were
small.
the days.
Yes.
My God. I don't think I'll ever fit into it again.
Hindi, payat, you're back to your payat days. And then you cut your hair short.
Very short.
Very, very short.
Crazy times.
Yeah. And then we
No
will,
longer crazy.
ngayon very stable and happy.
Very calm.
Calm na.
Yeah,
Calm
yeah.
na.
After
You've
all,
matured,
I'm gonna
yes.
be a nana.
I know. But the most beautiful nana.
Yeah.